why this is important, let us understand first of all who all is doing. Are you wanting to know who all does this and use this concept? Yes, are you excited? So let us understand who all is practicing this. If we look at global leaders, we have Tim Cook, who wakes up at around 3:45 in the morning to plan his day and review priorities. Oprah Winfrey, she starts the morning with meditation, gratitude and intention setting. Now my friends, these are successful people. But do you think that these successful people are doing something in the morning which sets the tune of the day? We have Tony Robbins, the leading coach of the world. He is practicing priming exercise, and my friends, I have attended his live session in which he has shown what all he does in the priming exercise. And that's the beauty of the priming exercise, that gives him energy, visibility and the vision of the entire day, how the whole day is going to happen. Then we have Robin Sharma, who is the creator of 5 AM Club. Now, how many of you have read his book 5 AM Club? If you have read the book, just raise your hand. Yes? Very good. Now, this is about the global leaders we had spoken. Let me tell you about something that Indian leaders are following. We have our own Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, who wakes up early, does yoga and does meditation. We have Mukesh Ambani, who begins his day early morning with discipline and structured planning. And then, who doesn't know Ratan Tata? He is known for his structured morning and reading habits. My friends, if these people are doing something in the morning which is setting them apart, which is setting them different, do you think whatever they are doing is important in their lives? If yes, you can type yes in the chat box. Thank you so much. Now my friends, what is it that they are doing different? They are doing something in the morning which is helping them to live a day in a way that they want and not in the way their bosses want. My friends, they are bosses of their lives, not because of the designation only, but because they are in control of what they will do during the day. Now imagine, our own Prime Minister, Mr. Narendra Modi, has tons of things to be done. If he just wakes up with an open mind, a blank paper, and doesn't go with an intent that what all he wants to do during the day, do you think he'll be able to achieve whatever he's achieving for so many days and years and decades? Absolutely no. He's able to achieve so many things because he's having an intent, he's setting up his day in the way he wants. My friends, we all have 24 hours, but what we do in those 24 hours, whether we live it for ourselves, whether we design it for ourselves, or whether we allow others to write our script, that is the control these people are having. So do you think you want such kind of a success with things that these people do?